Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe 30th Edition in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl with adaptive cruise control, surround view camera system, 20-inch aluminum wheels, active lane management system, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 19,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen display, navigation, select terrain system, heated second row seats, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7920.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.